god. Oh my god. Hello y'all, Shaniqua is here. What is up? I'm gonna tell you what is up in Vegas right now. The wind. Look at my hair. Look at this. It is all just... What? I lost an earring! Oh my god. No! An earring bouquet. No! I lost one of my earrings out there. I was trying to go to Fremont and make some extra, you know, do my thing and make my money bitches and the wind and everything and yeah. The original plan for today though, I knew it was going to be windy, I just didn't know how bad. Oh my god, the original plan was that we were going to go to Red Rock Resort, National Park area, thingamabobber on the outskirts of Vegas, and do a little hiking and have a little adventure and a little fun. One of my friends looked up the weather that happened for today before we went and was like, nope, plans canceled, not happening. And it said the wind was going to be, originally, when she looked it up then, gusting at 60 to 70 miles per hour in Red Rock. I'm going to step over here to this side and show you. Wait, I'll step over to this way. My camera is weird. It's mirror imaged. So, like, if I go to the left, I go right on my camera. So, it's just weird. Anyway, I'm going to step over here and show you a clip right here. A video, a picture of what we really experienced. It was originally supposed to be 60 to 70 miles per hour at Red Rock. It got up to 82 miles an hour. The damages across Vegas are staggering. Okay? Look. Right here. Look at the wind percentages. How fast this wind was going. Holy sweet Jesus. No wonder my hair is a wreck. No wonder I lost an earring. Jesus. Oh my god. So much for going to the Red Rock today. So I decided maybe I'll just go down to Fremont, you know, maybe it wouldn't be as windy. Maybe I'll be safe, working my street corner bitches. Yeah. Ooh. I got no clients. All I got was just mouthful of dirt and dust and debris flying everywhere. Look at this. Look at the road conditions. Let me just step out of the way and show you this little clip right here. Okay, let me just let this play. Yeah, you couldn't see anything on the roads. And we kept getting these warnings on our phones that said, and I'll have it posted over here, dust storm warning in this area till 7 p.m. Avoid travel, check local media. And then it popped up again. A little bit like, not even, let me see. Not even 15 minutes later, it popped up again. Severe dust storm warning in this area. Until 11 p.m., avoid travel, check local media. Yeah, right over here. So, I did not avoid travel. I went out trying to get something traveling somewhere. Yes. Okay. Trying to get my money, okay? I wanted my money, alright? I wanted to make extra funds, extra cash, and it was a total nightmare I should never have left. I should have avoided travel. Travel to anywhere. I mean, look at this news video, okay, that I have for y'all. This news video by KTNV Channel 13 Action News. Check this out.
Massive tree came toppling down, crushing this garage, practically splitting it in half, and there are scenes like this all around town.
It's so windy he can't move the doghouse.
Blustery weather blasting the valley. This pet lover rushes outside, wrestling with the wind as he tries to rescue this doghouse, reminding the folks inside of the wicked winds of the Wizard of Oz.
I think we're in Kansas.
Gusts as strong as gale forces tear a cover off a pickup truck and drop it onto an oncoming SUV.
Is that it? Oh no. 411.
Wind whips up dust, blotting out the mountains to the east of McCarran, forcing flights to adjust their takeoffs and landings, at times grinding air traffic to a halt.
Oh my God!
It even huffed and puffed and blew down this cinder block wall, the damage all around town. At North Las Vegas Airport, the unforgiving blast pummels small planes, turning them onto their sides on the tarmac. On I-15 at St. Rose Parkway, the wind tips over a tractor-trailer on the freeway, another above on the overpass. Across town, a tree tumbles onto a car, blocking at least one lane of traffic. And here's another live look at this garage. You can see the stuff in the top practically spilling out of the garage. Now, Clark County Public Works reports about 60 trees down, and we're told it'll be windy again tomorrow, but not nearly as bad as today. We're live. Christopher King, 13 Action News.
Seen those down power lines, and this map from MV Energy gives you an idea of the outages. We're told that about 44,000 people around the Las Vegas area right now are without power. These are wind-related outages. Power poles, as you've seen, down in several areas. No estimate at this point from MV Energy on when they'll have everything restored, but they do have crews out there working those scenes to try to get power restored as quickly as possible.
So yeah, it was just pure craziness today. Pure craziness. Okay, the way the weather was today. It has never ever been this bad, as far as I can remember, since my teenage years. Okay? So, I mean, 82 mile per hour winds. You know, what did it say for my area town? 70 miles per hour. Okay, we had hurricane forest weather, and the damage is, like I said, we're staggering. I'm going to show you a series of pictures and videos, maybe sing to some, you know, like suspenseful music and everything or something, because it was crazy. So I'm going to show you that right now, and then I'll be back in just a second. Just wait until you see what you see with what people caught on camera, okay? So yeah, there were barbecue grills rolling across everything and trampolines flying through the air. So somebody had some debris that went flying into their car windshield, some wooden planks that flew off of something and went through their windshield. Trees down, roofs being ripped off. It is just, and the wind is not over yet. It's still going to be windy. Nowhere near as bad as it was today, but still windy. And there's so much more damages across the valley that weren't even on the news, or that I didn't get pictures and videos of. Just right down the street from where I live is a golf course. And on that golf course is this really high fence with this netting that goes around the part of the golf course to stop golf balls from going into the street, although it really doesn't work that very well because there's golf balls all the time in the street. We have like so many of them in here that we're collecting. But the netting is now completely torn to shreds, and one of those really tall poles I was talking about that has the netting wrapped around it, it's leaning like this over the street, just leaning there. At any moment, that thing can come crashing down onto traffic, and, you know, talk about Final Destination, you know, If you want a real Final Destination moment, just go down to my street and you can just sit there and watch it happen. Because it's going to happen. That pole is going to eventually fall if they don't take care of it immediately. And it's a tall netting type fence to stop the golf balls. Okay? And there's birds all stuck up in it and everything that got tangled in the net. And oh my god, it's horrible. And not to mention, like I said, like I showed in the news video, the power outages. Half of the city is without power. After the winds died down, I went for a little walk. And I was in an area where I could see the lights of the city. And you could see over half of the city is without power. There's no lights. No lights. Nothing. Just pitch blackness. I am one of the lucky few that still have power, thank God. You know, but so many out there don't. And they don't know when they're going to be able to fix it. There's no estimated time. So it's just insane with what happened today. Insane. I just, oh gosh. Anyway, I gotta go. I gotta try to fix my hair. Do something with it. Try to do some beauty regimen treatment on it to fix this. Because my hair is tore up to the motherfucking floor up. Okay? Because of the wind. I don't know what to do to fix this. Because if I try to brush this with this shit, okay, I'm going to have like bald spots and rat nests and hair all stuck up and everything. Okay, so just wish me luck fixing my hair, I guess. I don't know. And hopefully I'll be able to find new earrings because I lost one. There's only one right here, and the other one's completely gone. I lost it while I was out there working on Fremont. Trying to work on Fremont. Anyway, peace out, y'all. Love y'all, hugs and kisses. Alrighty. Probably people talking about the win on my Facebook page or something. Anyway, peace out, y'all.